Hey guys, in today's episode, we got a special project. We are going to be restoring my grandpa's 2004 Ski-Doo Rev that he spring checked over 20 years ago.
There. Like I remember.
Tell me about the sled, Grandpa.
17 is the last time I rode it.
When did you get this sled?
03. I spring checked it.
Why'd you get the Rev? What made you get this sled?
It's one hell of a sled. We demoed it. We demoed the 03, which was orange and black. And I fell in love with it. Went right down and ordered this one.
You've had it ever since?
Had it since it was brand new. I don't know what the mileage is on it. I don't think you have to start it to get the mileage off of it. But it does. I did put a team clutch on it. It's a 04 team clutch.
What else have you done to it? You put a different skid under it?
Yeah, I put a 151 skid under it. When I bought it, it had the 144. And I had a skid and track for the 151. I'm getting too old to try to lift these out anymore. Hopefully it's just the bearing seized up. It's been a long time since I even tried to roll it over.
Do you think there's gas in it?
No. Yeah, there's gas
Oh
in
yeah,
it.
she's great.
Go grab the tether.
Here's the story with my grandpa's 04 Rev. When they came out with the Rev in 03, my grandpa spring checked this 04 and got it brand new. Which, oh, that's cool, what a great story. Well, if you know my family, that was a huge deal because by no means did we grow up super wealthy, right? Buying a brand new snowmobile was absolutely bonkers for my family. It was a huge deal. I was 5 when my grandpa got this sled, so I spent a lot of my childhood on this 04 Rev, and so I just absolutely love this sled. It was the first sled I rode that I remember thinking, oh my gosh, this has too much power for me. You know, being 6 or 7 or whenever I would have rode it. I was scared of this sled. Here we are 20 years later. It's not running currently. We don't know what's wrong with it. We're gonna figure out what's wrong with it. I'm super excited for this project here. And can't wait to get it running again and get it on the snow.
She needs some work?
I need to gather my thoughts first here. Hold on.
What are your initial thoughts of it here?
It's freaking sweet. It's a Rev. I love it.
04 Rev.
It's a 144 with a 151 under it.
Oh.
So my grandpa did that.
Short tunnel before it was cool.
Before it was cool. Short tunnel before it was cool.
That's freaking sweet.
Now it's been sitting outside. It was last rode in 2017.
Look at your new sled.
No.
Lame sauce.
Anna, this thing's gonna be sweet.
She doesn't appreciate these revs like we do.
Uncultured.
You don't know how spoiled you are.
The new age of sledders.
I know,
Shit on my
right?
head.
First order of business, she needs a little bath. Let's give her a wash. Summit to 08 XP. So I skipped the Rev chassis other than riding my grandpa's, which I thought was the coolest sled of all time. Oh yeah, the hood just pops open, huh? Let's pop it open. Let's take a look. All right. So we got some treasures. Got some spiders crawling in there. Some little mouse nests in here.
It's actually in pretty clean condition. Just been sitting for a while.
It's over here. Oh yeah, look at all that. Nice.
Overall.
Alright. She needs some love on the inside.
Yep.
That's for sure. Okay. A little dirty on the inside. There's a bunch of leaves in there.
Yeah, there's the spider.
Yeah, there's that spider. That room. Wow. You can actually change spark plugs. That's amazing.
So much room for activities.
I don't see anything huge right off the bat other than she's dirty in there. But I'm gonna put the camera down and we're gonna tear into her.
But check this out.
Got cool, isn't it?
It's got a chain case dipstick. Don't make that no more.
I'm supposed to show it, but
This is how we learn.
We're just gonna make sure everything's nice and labeled. And I also would like to clean absolutely everything. So when my grandpa gets the sled back, it's almost like it's brand new. So that's kind of the idea. That's the goal here. We want everything to be super clean.
In need of a little cleaning.
Start with that for 5 minutes. Come on, muscles. Hold on, show the camera. I feel like I'm on the fish. Is it on there? Can you see it? Oh yeah. Let's go. Now that we got the motor out, is when the real work begins. So now we need to figure out what exactly is wrong with it.
Ooh, there it is right there.
There's a culprit.
Yeah.
A bunch of metal in there.
That could be good. Could mean it's not the crank. But yeah, it's not good.
Look at all that brokenness.
ooh, ouch.
Yeah.
So why is the
That's not good.
further?
Problems.
Not good.
All right, here's the verdict. Now that Jett got everything torn apart. So we got a bad rod bearing down here. Got a bad piston. Got a bad head. Oops. And we got a bad cylinder. So just a lot going on. We also have a crack in the boot that we just discovered. A crack in the boot that we missed when we took it out of the carburetor. Now it's time for part 2. The rebuild. All right, guys, that'll do it for part 1 of the Rev rebuild. If you made it this far into the video, thank you guys for watching. If you like our content and you want to see more, and if you want to follow along on the Rev rebuild, just make sure to hit subscribe, maybe even hit that notification bell so you can see our content. And we look forward to having you guys follow along on our journey throughout the season. We got lots of big plans for this winter, and we're kicking things off with this Rev rebuild. So yeah, lots of big projects in the works, and thank you guys for the support. We'll catch you on the next one.